Wondering if OSHA 10 general industry training is for you? If you work in healthcare, warehouses, manufacturing, retail, or any general industry, the answer is yes. This 10-hour online safety course builds awareness of workplace hazards and provides the official OSHA 10 card, a credential recognized nationwide. In healthcare, OSHA 10 helps staff prevent lifting injuries, handle biohazards safely, and reduce workplace risks for both employees and patients. In warehouses, the course covers safe material handling and ergonomics. In manufacturing, it teaches lockout, tagout, chemical safety, and machine guarding to reduce serious accidents. Even retail and office workers benefit. OSHA 10 training improves awareness of slips, trips, fire safety, and ergonomics, keeping workplaces safe across industries. Employers value OSHA 10 because it shows you're trained, responsible, and ready for the job. It's an investment in your safety and your future. OSHA Outreach Courses has trained thousands nationwide since 2015. Our programs are OSHA authorized, mobile-friendly, and affordable. Ready to get started? Enroll today at OSHAOutreachCourses.com. Complete your OSHA 10 training online, earn your certificate, and receive your OSHA 10 card. Call us, email us, or live chat with us now to claim your discount.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.